All right, we're looking to solve this linear equation that has decimals. The good news is that we attack this in exactly the same ways that we attack an equation that has whole numbers or integers in it. We're looking to isolate this w here, the variable in our equation. We're doing that by doing the opposite order of operations, all of that jazz that I call reverse engineering. The first thing in this case what we would do is we're going to add 0.39 to both sides of this equation. The reason we're doing that is to get rid of this negative 0.39 term here on the left-hand side. So then what we're left with on the left-hand side of this equation is this negative 0.43w equals, and then the right-hand side we get from whatever we get from the addition of these two numbers. I plug that into my calculator, and what I got is 0.3311. Then to isolate the w, what I'm going to do is divide both sides by this negative 0.43 to both sides of the equation. Again, happy that I get to use my calculator to perform this, but that division there is why I do that to cancel out this multiplication by negative 0.43, and I get w equals negative 0.77. This is my solution to the equation because I've isolated my variable. Just looking back real fast again is the steps I'm using are exactly the same steps I would use with whole numbers. The advantage here is I get to use my calculator, but the steps are the same. I first added that 0.39 to both sides of the equation. Then, when I do that, I just want to point out it's important that that operation of a negative or a subtraction in between these two terms becomes a negative after I've gotten rid of that 0.39. which then has me divide by a negative 0.3, giving me my final answer down here.